Now students, we will learn to use the if statement and do even and odd. Means to find out the even and odd, we will apply the if statement. So we will take two variables. First one is I equals to 1. So this is my first variable along with the value, then comma, then second variable is a. So now we will type the prompt statement. First of all, variable a equals to prompt inside the bracket double inverted commas, then enter number. You can make it capital letter. Okay, enter number, done. This statement will display itself in the output screen in a dialog box of prompt. Then the next is if inside the bracket a modulus 2 equal means this is the this is the relational operator, double equal, greater than equal, not equal, you know all this, isn't it? 0 means if a modulus 2 equals to 0, then the true statement document.write inside the bracket a plus. So what is the meaning of plus? Plus means it is concatenation. A here means that it is the variable name. A plus inside double inverted commas, the statement which is going to display in the output screen is an even number. So a plus is an even number. In place of a plus, the actual value is going to display. So there is no false statement, so only true statement is there. So we will cut this one. So this is the end of my program. Now save it, file, save as. So the name of my file is even.html. Save it, minimize it. So this is my even Internet Explorer. Double click, allow block content. This is the dialog box. Enter number. So let me enter 44, then OK. We know 44 is an even number. OK. So what is display? 44 is an even number. So this program is over. Now one more thing, then again we are clicking the same Internet Explorer of even, allow block content. Here I will type an odd number. Now let's see what displays. We didn't type any false statements, so okay, nothing is displaying because there is no false statement. After if, only true statement is there, therefore only the true answer was displaying. Now let me show you one more thing, students. In the same program, I am going to add a false statement, that is, the false statement is added inside else document.write dot inside the bracket a, the same statement. So in spite of writing the same statement twice, we just will copy it and paste it here, Control V. In place of even, you write here odd. Okay, means a plus is an odd number. So here my program is over. File, just save, because already our program was saved. Minimize it, Open your Internet Explorer, allow block content. So suppose I write here 7, enter the age, 7 written. We know 7 is an odd number. Okay, 7 is an odd number displaying. Okay, now again I am opening the same thing, allow block content. Here I am typing an even number, 6. Okay, so 6 is an even number. So we have learned if and if else. After if, always the true answer displays, and after if true answer, after else the false answer displays. So please practice these programs, all of you.